2, 3. At the forest! Choo choo choo, we stop right here. A little deer is drawing near. Hello dear, we wave and say, then our train is on its way. Choo choo train, rolling through the sun and rain. Look around, what do we see? Happy animals, 1, 2, 3. By the river! Choo choo choo, beside the stream, a frog is jumping, what a dream! Ribbit, ribbit, hear it sing, jumping high on little spring. At the farm! Choo choo choo, we reach the farm. A friendly cow says hello with charm. Moo moo moo, it sings so loud, the train goes by through the happy crowd. Choo choo train, rolling through the sun and rain. Look around, what do we see? Happy animals, 1, 2, 3. Jungle stop! Choo 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 through the jungle trees. A monkey swings with such great ease. Then a lion gives a mighty roar. Roar, 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 we cheer some more. Near the pond, choo choo choo, we're passing by. A little duck goes swimming by. Quack, 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 it happily sings, flapping its tiny little wings. Choo choo train, what an exciting ride again. Deer and frog, cow and lion, duck and monkey keep on smiling. Choo choo choo, off we go. Through the fields and hills we roll. Wave goodbye and shout hooray! Our animal train comes back someday.